Good evening, folks. Welcome to the AI Real Estate Network's Nightly Scoop, powered by the Whiz Pros at the AI Institute of Real Estate.
Welcome to the AI Real Estate Network channel, your prime source for the latest AI news in the real estate industry. Stay with us for insights, updates, and expert opinions, right here on the AI Real Estate Network channel.
Tonight, we're diving into the AI revolution in real estate. It's like sci-fi, but for your home. First up, RealView 360. Imagine strapping on VR goggles and strolling through your dream home from your couch. This app isn't just a virtual tour, it's a teleportation device, thanks to some nifty AI wizardry. Next, meet MarketProphet, the crystal ball of real estate. It chews through mountains of market data and spits out gold nuggets of insights. Talk about having a sixth sense for trends and pricing. Then there's ManageMate. Think of it as your property management superhero, zapping through tenant screenings and fixing leaky faucets. Well, almost, with its AI superpowers. Moving on to PropMatch AI. It's like a dating app, but for homes and buyers. Swipe right on your perfect property match, thanks to AI knowing what you want better than you do. And let's not forget Build Smart AI. This tool is reshaping construction and design, making buildings smarter and greener. It's like having an eco-friendly architect in your pocket. Each of these AI marvels is changing the game in real estate, from making house hunting a breeze to turning buildings into sustainable wonders. So, hit subscribe and ring that bell. You won't want to miss what we've got lined up next at the AI Real Estate Network, your go-to source for all things AI in real estate. Thanks for tuning in, and catch you at the next news flash.